Hello, my friends, and welcome to the Lucky Number application. In this application, we are asking the user to enter his name at the first screen, wish me luck button, and your lucky number is 3. Then the user will allow to share this number that it's auto-generated along with the available platforms and application installed on the device. Now let's share it with the Gmail, and here we go. This is the username, Jack is lucky today. This is the title of the Gmail or the email, and the text and the body of the email is his lucky number is 3, which is the number that's generated from this application.
So you want to be a professional Android app developer, but you don't know where you should start, what things you should learn. You came to the right place. Welcome to our top bestseller Android app development course, a comprehensive program designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge required to excel in the exciting field of Android app development.
So we are going to follow these steps: layout design, creating the layout for this app using layout editor in Android Studio. So we'll design 2 layouts for 2 activities. Then we are going to declare the views, declaring the widgets and the views created in the XML. Then we are adding the functionalities, creating explicit intents to navigate to the second activity and pass the username data. Then the implicit intents that's allowing us to share the result along the platforms, and a function for picking a random number. Then the 4th step is running and testing and correcting any possible errors. So, are you ready? This is a great app that you will learn about and review the implicit, explicit intents and generate random. Hello, my friends. In this video, we're going to create our project and design the 2 layouts for the 2 activities. Select empty activity. Here, for the name it as Lucky Num app. Select the language Kotlin and click Finish. Now let's start designing the main activity. Click on activity_main.xml and go into split mode. Okay, this is the text view. I need to drag it and for above, drag it up, and I will change the text size at first. I will make it as 32 SP, and I will make it welcome to Lucky Number. Okay, now I will change the main activity background. I will copy these 2 backgrounds. I will go to resources and drawable, paste them, click OK, and then you are good. The gradient 1, this is the background, and the gradient 2, this is the background. Okay, for the second activity. Here, I will specify the background attribute at drawable gradient 1. And here we go. This is the background of this image. This is this activity. I will change the text color. So, text color black. And it would be good. Now I will add an edit text here in order to allow the user to enter his name. For the width, match parent, wrap content for the height. And now I will add a hint. Hint, please enter your name. Okay? I will drag this and add it to here. And then I will infer its constraint. Click on Infer Constraints, and here we go. Also, I don't need this constraint to be at this edge. I need it to the end of the edit text. So I will delete this constraint and add it to here, and then drag it down 116 dp, and it's good. It's inferred to the edge, the left edge and the right edge. And here we go. This is the ID edit text and the text view text view. One last thing I need to add is the button. Wrap content ID is btn, and the text is equal to like wish me luck. Okay, this is good. I will drag this button down to here. I will add some constraints. I infer constraints to here, and this is good. Okay, I'll add also a constraint to here. Now it's ready. Now let's design the second activity. I will create a new activity and I will select empty activity. I will name it as lucky number activity. Okay, this will generate a lucky number for the user, and the source language is Kotlin. Click on finish, and here we go. This is the lucky number activity. I will go to here, the activity lucky number. There are two layouts. This is the main activity, and this is for the lucky number activity. I will go to the split mode and start designing this layout. I will add the background at first. Select the background, gradient 2. Okay. Now let's add the text views. The first text view will be a wrap content ID text 1, and the size would be 32 sp, and the text your lucky number is. Okay, here we go. We infer constraints and it's good. I prefer the text color would be white. Okay, now I will add another text view here. Text view, wrap content. The ID would be lucky num text, and the size would be 76 sp. This will generate the lucky number and display it inside this text view. And text, I will keep it like this, 888. Okay, it's good. Infer constraints, and here we go. Now I will add a button to share the results. Text, share the lucky, share my luck. Okay, it's good. I drag it and drop it here. I will add its constraints and I will drag it like this. Okay, this is the layout. Hello my friends. In this video, we're gonna declare and initialize the widgets that we've created before for the two activities. Let's start with the main activity. Here we have text view, edit text, and a button. So let's go to the main activity here and start by val b1 of type button equal find view by ID, or I will implement or import the package android.widget and the class button, r.id dot btn. Val text view equal to find view by id r.id.text1. Okay, or not text1, it's called text view. Okay, alt plus enter to import the text view class. Let me check. This is a text view, edit text, and btn. Now I need another val edit txt equal or type edit text equal find view by id r.id.edit text. Okay, these are the widgets of the first activity. Let's move to the second activity. We have text view, the text1, another text view, lucky number text, and a button, and I need to add its ID, share btn. So let's start defining in the lucky number activity val text1 of type text view equal find view by id, importing the text view r.id.text1. Okay, this is text1. Now text2 is called lucky num txt. So val lucky text of type text view equal find view by id r.id.lucky num text, and val button share button equal or of type button, alt plus enter to import the package and the class of button, and r.id.share btn. Okay, so congratulations guys, we've created the layout and initialized the widgets for the two activities. Hello my friends, in this video we're going to get the username that's entered by the user in the edit text, and when the user click on wish me a luck, will direct him to the second screen, passing the data from this activity to the another activity. So think about it, when navigating, when passing data between activities of the same app, we're going to use the explicit intents. So let's start by the button b1.set on click listener. I need to make here, we need to get var name equal edit text dot get text or dot text. Okay, I'm getting the var of name named as name and getting it from the edit text dot text. I'm getting what the user enters in the edit text and store it inside the variable called name. Okay, now in order to pass the data between activities, I'm going to use the explicit intents. Okay, so we will start by intent or var. I can make it var I of type intent equal alt plus enter to import the class of intents here, and I will name it as intent. I can remove this, and I will pass the get or this, which is the context, get application context, and here we pass where we are going to navigate from this activity to the second activity. So the second activity is called lucky number activity and class.java. Okay, so I'm moving from the main activity towards the lucky number activity. Okay, I need to pass the data. So here I'm passing the user name. So I.put extra, I am putting the name as the username, and the name here, I will name it as username in order not to confuse you. Okay, then start activity and starting the activity I. So I'm passing here the user name that it's entered by the user inside the edit text and passing it towards the lucky number activity through the put extra. The key is name. Now let's move to the lucky number activity and receive the bundle. So I will create function here, receive username, and here I will start receiving from the bundle. So I will start by var bundle of type bundle equal to intent dot extras. I'm getting from extras. So I will store the received username here in a variable called username equal to bundle dot get, and here we use the key. So give me the key name. It's a case sensitive, guys, please pay attention. Give me the key name, I will give you the value of it and store it inside the username. Okay, so I need to return a string for this username. So return user name. Here I need to transform this to a string because it's of any type. Okay, now I can get I can use like these directly, these two codes directly here without using functions. Okay, but I prefer using functions in order to keep the code more recognizable and more pretty. Okay, so I will store var user name user underscore name equal to receive user name. I will call this function. Now let's test this by making a toast message that dot make text this the username here, and we use the toast dot long dot show message. Okay, now let's run our application and see if we've got the user from one page to another, from one activity to another correctly or not. Here we go. Please enter your name. I will enter Jack. Wish me a luck. And here we go. Jack is passed correctly. So, congratulations, guys. We've succeeded in getting the username and passing. Hello, my friends. In the previous video, we've succeeded in receiving the username. Now, we are going to generate the lucky number and add the sharing functionality for this bot. So, in order to generate random numbers generator, I will create a function called generate random number. It's its returning type as an integer, and here we go. Let's start making like this function. So I will make use of an instance from random class. Okay, random. Okay, dot next int, and here we can specify the range from 0 to 1000. Okay, so I can make this happens by using the companion or extension function, but I prefer using the upper limit, like 1000. So I'm generating numbers from 0 to 1000. And here I don't need this because I'm not making an instance of the abstract class. Okay, return random. Okay, it's very simple. Now let's call this method here var random number equal to generate random number. I will copy this toast message and I will paste it here in order to check for the random number. Okay, let's run the emulator and see. Now enter your name, and here we go. It's generating for us a random number. If we go back, click on this and another random number 608. It's working fine. Now let's remove this toast message and set the lucky text dot set text to the random number. Run the program. Enter Jack. I need to add this string maybe because it's an integer. It will not directly enter it. Wish me luck, and here we go. So don't miss this two quotes, double quotes. Okay, so congratulations guys, we have succeeded in receiving the username and generating random numbers. Now in the next video we're gonna see how to share the results in or on different platforms like email, Gmail, WhatsApp, Telegram, and others. Hello my friends, in the previous videos we've succeeded in receiving the username and generating a random number. Now we're going to allow the user to share the name and the lucky number on different platforms. So I will generate a function here for sharing the results or the username and number. I will create a function share data. It took into the parameter the username as a string and the number as an int. Okay, so in order to share data between the other applications, so you are sharing the information, the data with the system, and system will choose the correct application for sharing, like email, Gmail, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. So what is the perfect way? It's by using the implicit intents. So implicit intents will share the data along the other applications, not sharing the information along the activities of the same application. It's sharing externally So think about implicit as sharing externally. Okay, so implicit intents. I will start by creating var I of equal intent and alt plus enter to import the package and the class of intent. And here I will use action dot send or intent dot action underscore send. So because I'm going to send it to other application, share it with along with the applications, I need to use the action underscore send attribute of the intents. Now I will add the data to this and put extra for this intent, which is the title of the email and the body of the email. So for that, I will make here intent dot extra underscore subject. This is the title. Think about it as a title for the email. I will put the username. So I will make the username here. Username plus is lucky today. Or I can use the template, string template like this. Okay, username is lucky today. I dot put extra again, intent dot extra underscore the body. So body text. So text here, which is the body of the email. What I need to put and share the number. So his lucky number is none. Okay, I'm sharing this two information: the username as a title for the Gmail and the body, which is his lucky number is none. Now start activity I. And I will need to call this method in the onCreate method. Here, share button dot set on click listener. I need to add this share on click listener. I need to call share data. I pass the username and the random number. Okay, so these two data, the two variables, the username and the random number, is get it from the first activity, and this is from the generate random number method function. And when the user click on share button, I pass these two variables as parameters to here, and we start the new activity, which is sending us to the other applications in order to share the results. Okay, so let's run our application and see if there is any error or if the application is working fine. Hello, my friends. In this video, we're going to run our application. So click on this green triangle. Now enter the name Jack. Sorry for my emulator. Wish me a luck 173. Share my luck. Let's click on this button. Oops, there is an error. Let me go to the logcat and see what is the error. I'll select error and let me check for the lucky number. So the error is here in the share data method. Okay, so I think no activity found to handle intent that has extras. I need to check for that the I or the intent is setting the type. So I need to set the type of the sharing data. What are the types of the data that I'm going to share? Both are of type string. So I need to specify here text of type text and plain text. Okay, let me stop and run the program again. Here we go. Jack, wish me luck. 332. Share my luck. Okay, you can see, guys, that the sharing option or menu is appearing now. Let's select the Gmail just once. And here we go. These are the auto-generated text according to the data that we have passed. The username, which is Jack, is lucky today. And the body of the email is his lucky number is 332. Okay? So this is our app. Congratulations, guys. We've used the explicit intents. We've used the implicit intents. We've introduced the generation of random numbers by using the random class. And this is a good application to practice what we've learned before.